Hello, my name is Tom Coe, and I'm the Chief of the Frederick County Division of Fire and Rescue Services. I'd like to share some information with you on how Frederick County Fire and Rescue is poised to meet your needs during the COVID-19 pandemic. Our preparation began in January through coordination meetings with our response partners, which include the Frederick County Health Department, Frederick County Emergency Management, and Frederick Health Hospital. Those coordination meetings proved critical in ensuring that we were employing recommended best practices and ensuring that our response is both coordinated and well communicated. Our response to COVID-19 really begins when someone dials 911. Frederick County Emergency Communications personnel are screening every 911 call for service to determine if anyone at the residence has a fever or is experiencing symptoms such as a cough or shortness of breath. First responders having this information prior to their arrival is critical to allow them to put on the appropriate personal protective equipment prior to interaction with a symptomatic person in need of assistance. If you see our responders on an incident, you may note that they look a little different. You may see fire and rescue personnel on a response wearing a mask, a face shield, a gown, and gloves when they approach a patient. This personal protective equipment is both for the protection of the first responder as well as the patient that we're there to assist. It is important to note that if you see a responder wearing additional personal protective equipment, it does not necessarily mean that the person requesting assistance or the address we responded to has COVID-19. We have taken additional steps to ensure that our ambulances are clean and limit the spread of the virus. We have separated the patient care area of the ambulance from the driver's compartment, and we've instituted additional procedures that include fogging of ambulances with a solution that has proven to be effective in eliminating the coronavirus. In the near future, Frederick County will be implementing a pandemic triage protocol in cooperation with the Maryland Institute for Emergency Medical Services Systems. This protocol will allow emergency medical responders to assess a patient, and if they meet certain criteria, are stable, and the patient is comfortable in doing so, the EMS crew will recommend that they remain in their residence to reduce the significant influx of patients to the emergency department. Those persons will be left a packet of information for resources for additional assistance, and the fire department will be following up with them on the telephone in the following days. Rest assured that the dedicated men and women of the Frederick County Fire Service are here for you in your time of need. We ask for everyone's sake that you avoid crowds, maintain social distancing, and frequently wash your hands. Ensure that you maintain or remain up to date with the most recent information from credible sources like the Centers for Disease Control and the Frederick County Health Department. You can also find up-to-date information on the Frederick County government website at www.frederickcountymd.gov/coronavirus. Thank you for your time.